Hey guys, I just wanted to show y'all how to make these check boxes or these squares into check boxes. So the way you're going to do this is first of all, you're going to go and these are links right here. So you're going to click on that link, make sure that your score is 80 or above, or on this one, make sure it's 90 or above, and then come back to this slide. Once you have confirmed that it is 80 or above, you're going to click these boxes over here. So when you click them the first time, all of them are going to highlight. You don't want that. So you're going to click it again to make sure just one highlights. I'm going to right click because I'm on a regular computer, but I think you guys do that whole like snake fang two finger click thing to make this come up. And so when that comes up, you see this little check right here. I'm just going to do that. So again, I'm going to do that again. So let's say I know that I'm an 80 or above on this scaling one. Once I click it the first time, all of them are going to highlight. Remember, you have to click it a second time to just make it. And then you're either going to right click. Oops. There you go. Then you're either going to right click or do the double finger click. And click on that checkbox right there, and it changes it into a check. You're going to do that for every single one of the IXLs on slide 29 and 30 to make sure that you have them all done. Hope you guys are having a great week. Hope to see you soon. Bye.